I'm a zoology major. I really want to do research with zoology, maybe focus in ornithology, which is birds. Actually, I went to school at the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium. I did the zoo school program. It's a 2-year high school class that's like through the Career Center.
Okay.
And so we did research projects there, and one of my projects was on the kiwi bird. And they're a bird that's so unbird-like. They call them the honorary mammal in a lot of books.
Huh.
So I don't know. It just all started there that I wanted to do research. But I've been going to zoos and stuff since I was, younger than 2, when my mom first brought me to the Columbus Zoo when we first moved to Columbus. Well, with zoo school, we did 3 research papers, and that was, and in high school you do research papers too, but that's just looking at books and basically restating what other people have already researched. In zoo school and then in science majors, you have to do your own research, create your own thesis statement, your own hypotheses, and do the math, do the statistics, collect your data, and it's a completely different kind of research than we do in regular high school. And so when you're doing that kind of writing, all of a sudden you're not taking someone else's thoughts, you're taking entirely new pieces of data that nobody's ever seen before, and you have to analyze it and put it into words that everybody can understand. And also in zoo school we did a statistics class, and you wouldn't think that math and writing would have to be connected, but when you're doing statistics, you're taking the pieces of data and running all these crazy numbers on it, and then you know what the number means, but you have to somehow translate it into words for other people to understand. So it involves a lot of thinking and a lot of writing skill to make it accessible to other people. So yeah, science and writing are so connected, because a lot of people, and why science is so frightening, science and math is so frightening to some people, is because it's not easy to understand, because it's just numbers and they don't mean anything to a lot of people. So you have to be able to really be able to communicate in science and math, and so that's why they're so connected.